A very good morning, dear students. In addition to your prose and poem, we have supplementary reading which will be useful for you to refer. And it's also similar to your prose. It will be a moral story, like a moral stories. So let us begin with the story. The name of the story is The Never Ending Story. It's a supplementary reading. In addition to your prose and poem, it's an additional concept, additional reading. Just like a story or the prose. Once Emperor Akbar fell ill. Though the illness was not very serious, it prevented the emperor from sleeping till the early hours of the morning. The royal physicians tried various medicines but without any effect. In the end, a hakim suggested that the emperor should hear a story before retiring to bed every night, so that his mind might remain cheerful and enable him to sleep peacefully. Next, we'll see what happened. It seems a good suggestion, said the emperor. But how shall I get a man who will tell me a story every night? That's easy, remarked the hakim. You have in your own darbar a number of courtiers, huzoors. So you could certainly ask each one of them to tell you a story every night. Now it became a real problem for the darbaris to tell a tale to their master every night. For though they managed to tell a story as the emperor would not sleep, the minister had to add on another tale. Tale means another story to the first and go on with it. And this went on till not the listener but the storyteller began to feel sleepy. Instead of getting sleepy by the emperor, it started happening with the storyteller. So in the end, not knowing how to get out of this situation, the darbaris consulted Birbal. He agreed to tell a story to the emperor to put him to sleep. Next is the emperor welcomed Birbal and later narrated a story to him, at the end of which the emperor, as was his habit, asked what happened then. Birbal told him another tale, but as soon as it was over, he was confronted with the same royal question, what next? So a third story followed this time too. As it came to an end, the emperor asked again, what next? So each time when the Birbal started with a new tale or the story, as soon as he was at the end of the story, this emperor used to ask, what next? What next? In order to put an end to this, what did the Birbal do? Birbal began his new tale thus. So in a certain jungle there was a hut. He came up with one more story, new story. As soon as the story was to get end, the emperor was to ask Birbal to say what next, what happened, what next, what the new story. So in a certain jungle there was a hut. A bhel stayed in it. Yes. The jungle was inhabited by different kinds of birds and beasts. So, and though the Bill was capable of protecting himself from the animals, his great problem was the birds who went into his hut and came out carrying in their grains of corn. Yes. For a long time, the Bill thought over the problem of getting rid of the birds. In the end, he succeeded in finding a way out. Yes, said by Emperor. The Bill went to the market and bought a big basket. Yes, what next? Again the same thing the emperor asked, what next? Yes, what the next is going to happen. As soon as the Bill went to the market and bought a big basket, what next? He kept all the grains of the corn in the basket and closed its lid tightly. Again the emperor asked, what next?